Welcome to Shaolin Temple, the legendary birthplace of Kung Fu. Nestled in the Songshan mountains of Henan province, this temple has been a center of martial arts and Chan Buddhism for over 1,500 years. Recently, social media sensation Speedy has taken the internet by storm with his live streams of Kung Fu training here. So, here's the ultimate travel guide to Shaolin Temple to help you make the most of your visit. Shaolin Temple was founded in 495 AD during the Northern Wei dynasty, making it over 1,500 years old. As the birthplace of Chan Buddhism, it is often called the #1 temple in the world. Located deep within the lush forests of Songshan Mountain in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, Shaolin Temple is easily accessible from major cities. Henan Province currently offers a 240-hour visa-free transit policy for travelers from 54 countries, allowing visa-free entry if transiting to a third destination. Check the link in the video description for more details. The nearest major city is Zhengzhou, about 100 kilometers away. To reach Shaolin Temple, you can either take a bus from Zhengzhou Shenzhen International Airport to Dengfeng City, then transfer to another bus to the temple, or simply take a direct taxi from the airport to the temple for convenience. Admission to Shaolin Temple costs around 80 renminbi, with discounts available for minors, seniors, and disabled visitors. The ticket includes access to the main temple complex, the Kung Fu Training Center, and the Pagoda Forest. Tickets can be purchased on-site or booked in advance through the official Songshan website, linked in the description. Shuttle bus and cable car tickets are available at an extra cost. Recommended routes. Route 1. Standard route: enter through the main Shaolin Temple entrance, visit the Kung Fu Training Center, explore the main temple complex, and end at the Pagoda Forest. This is a shorter and more relaxed experience. Estimated visit duration: 3 to 4 hours. Route 2. Full experience: start at Sanhuang Dai, walk through the Sanhuang plank path, take the cable car down to Shaolin Cableway, visit the Pagoda Forest, explore the main temple complex, watch a Kung Fu performance, and exit through the main Shaolin Temple entrance. Estimated duration: 5 to 6 hours. Once inside, here are the must-see attractions. Shaolin Temple Main Complex, the spiritual heart of the temple, rich in history. Pagoda Forest, a breathtaking collection of ancient stone pagodas, marking the burial sites of generations of monks. Kung Fu performance at the training center, witness real Shaolin monks showcasing iron body techniques, high jumps, and advanced weapon skills. Sanhuang Dai Scenic Area, a stunning mountain landscape, accessible via cable car. Temple Vegetarian Cuisine, a must-try, offering delicious and authentic Buddhist vegetarian dishes. Speaking of Kung Fu training, Speedy has recently become an online sensation by coming to Shaolin Temple to learn Shaolin Kung Fu. His viral live streams document his journey from struggling with basic stances to making real progress under the guidance of Master Liang. His experience has sparked global interest in Shaolin's rich martial arts culture. In his videos, Speedy's instructor, Liang Xiaolong, is a coach at the Shaolin Martial Arts Academy, located just outside the temple. If you're interested, you can book a Kung Fu experience class there. The Academy's official website is linked in the video description. Here are 4 important tips for first-time travelers to Shaolin Temple. Respect Buddhist customs. Do not bring meat products into the temple, avoid loud noises, and refrain from taking direct photos of Buddha statues and the Pagoda Forest, as it is a sacred burial site. Prepare for extensive walking. The temple complex is vast. If you have limited stamina, Consider using the paid shuttle service or the cable car for convenience. Hire a local guide. If you want to deepen your understanding of Shaolin Temple's history and culture, hiring a local guide can greatly enhance your experience. Check the Kung Fu performance schedule. Be sure to check the schedule in the Kung Fu Training Center to avoid missing this incredible martial arts performance. That's a wrap on our ultimate Shaolin Temple travel guide. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a martial arts lover, or just looking for an unforgettable adventure, Shaolin Temple has something for everyone. Kung Fu is more than just combat. It is about harmony between people and nature. I hope your journey to China helps you find your own Kung Fu spirit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides across China. See you on the next adventure.